Welcome back. We're out at a house that FNS Building Innovations is renovating out at Smith Mountain Lake. And while this is a beautiful home, there's a few skeletons in the closet. They explain. Take a look.
Hi, and welcome back to Your Home. I'm Jeremy and this is Alicia, and we're with FNS Building Innovations.
The last time we saw you, we showed you a beautiful home here at Smith Mountain Lake that was going to get ready to go under some extensive renovations. Well, as you can see, those renovations are in progress. So today we want to talk to you a little bit about the process of construction and just how changes can come about. Sometimes they come about by customer request. As you get into a project, you see something you want to do differently. And sometimes they come about when you encounter structural issues or just something that needs to be addressed.
So once we started the demo process here at the house, things definitely changed. We took out all of the ceiling and we saw some changes that the homeowner wanted to make.
The customers came to visit, and where originally they were just going to have a vaulted ceiling in the living room and then a vaulted ceiling in the kitchen, once they got here and saw these ceilings, they said, "Can we open this up all the way through the dining room front to back?" We said absolutely. That's one of those things that you encounter that you don't necessarily anticipate, but expect a change order when you ask for those kind of changes.
Sometimes in remodeling, there are curveballs thrown at you. And in this particular case, when we're remodeling here, as you can see, this water pipe is in the way. We're actually going to change this and move it over to a new location.
Yeah, originally there was a wall there. Well, we're knocking all these walls out, so that pipe's got to go somewhere. Let's go downstairs and we'll talk about some more changes that came up. So if you remember from last time, as you can see, now we're back in the basement where the new master bedroom suite is going to be added.
Yeah, the initial plan was to do some demolition down here, reframing, and we knew that there possibly were some water damages and some issues on the back of the house. Let's go outside and take a look at what hiring a professional will mean to you.
So initially the homeowner wanted us to look at the doors. He felt like there may be some water damage. But when we started looking at the doors, we realized there was actually a little bit more than water damage just to the doors. As we pulled off the stone that was there and looked at the framing itself, we found out a pretty troubling situation in that the framing itself was rotten and extremely deteriorated. So what we're going to have to do now is shore up this wall both inside and out, remove it, and reframe that wall. These are situations that come up especially in big renovations. The more extensive the renovation, the more likely you're going to come on a situation like this. So it's just something to think about. If you are considering something like that, there is a potential. I know you see it on TV shows and it's not something they just do to add drama. It really is something that happens when you're doing a renovation like this.
Again, whether it's remodeling a small project or a large project like this one, it is very important for you guys to consider hiring a professional like us. We want to take you through the step-by-step process of how all of this works, and we're really good at it.
So keep the end goal in mind that FNS is going to be able to help you get the finished result that you need. Even though there may be changes and the things that arise, we can help you all the way to the finish line so that you get the project of your dreams in the end. So check out FNS. Our website is www.fs4seasons.com or find us on Facebook.
Whether you need a home reno, a new build, or commercial help, FNS Building Innovations can do the work for you. They travel throughout our area. To learn more, give them a ring at 540-985-9160. Visit online at fs4seasons.com or check out their Facebook page. And we'll be right back.